Hello. In this vlog, we're going to look at finding 2 points using an equation we have, and then writing the pairs, calculating the slope from those 2 pairs. First, let's pick an x value, 2 of them. Our equation is y equals negative 3x plus 5. Said in the past vlogs that I'm lazy. I thought about that. I'm not lazy. I want to be efficient. I want to save my energy for other things. So I always pick my x value, first one, to be 0. Now my second x value can be anything. Maybe we should try, I don't know, negative 3. And we'll see what happens. So now, now I can see our 2 pairs. I have 0, 5 for the first coordinate. And then I have negative 3, 14 for the second point. So now I'm going to put those 2 pairs in our equation. I want to see what the slope is. So we have, I decided to follow the reverse order. Doesn't make a difference. 14 minus 5 for my change in y, up or down. And negative 3, subtract 0 for my left or right movement. Okay? Here we see m equals negative 3. I go back up to the top of our equation, you can see what? That negative 3 is in front of the x. So we're right over here. So our slope is negative 3. In that type of equation, the coefficient for x coefficient is negative 3. Now this is not just a coincidence. What this is, it means that that coefficient for this type of linear equation, that -3 is the slope. So now any equation that we can see as y equals something, that's called slope-intercept form. Let me put it down next page. So I wrote that out. See, y equals mx plus b. That's called so that's the slope and intercept form of a linear equation. From those types of equations, I can find the slope right there, if I know where to identify it, and the y-intercept, the y value, b. Our next two problems say that now. Okay, A and B, both already in the slope-intercept form for that equation. So here, are the two slopes. 2/3, the other one is -5. Notice I kept the positive or negative with the number. You have to do that, and I didn't involve the x, because x is not the slope. The coefficient for that x term, that's the slope. Okay? X itself is on the graph. Alright. Now for our b, I'll use blue. Blue shows the y value of the y-intercept. I put down the actual coordinates, xy pair, in black. 0, 7, 0, -2. X will always be 0. If you think about the y-axis, it's in the middle of the x-axis. X is always 0. Y is different depending where you are, up or down for the line. Okay? Thank you very much.